Welcome to the channel. If you enjoy tech insights and helpful tips, please subscribe. Let's begin.
Opening an After Effects project created in a newer version with an older version of the software is a common frustration, primarily because After Effects, unlike some other Adobe applications, doesn't offer a direct save as older version feature. This lack of backward compatibility means you can't simply go to File, Save As, and select a previous software iteration. However, there are workarounds, albeit imperfect ones, that can help you mitigate this issue. The most widely known built-in method involves exporting your project as an XML file, a legacy feature designed to transfer project data between different systems or even to other applications that understand the After Effects project structure. To use this, in your newer After Effects version, navigate to File, Export, Save as XML, Legacy. This action will generate an .aepx file, which is essentially an XML representation of your project. This aepx file contains critical project information such as layer order, transform properties, keyframes, basic effects, and overall project structure. Crucially, it does not typically include expressions, third-party plugin data, complex nested compositions with advanced features, or certain newer functionalities that might not exist in the older After Effects version. Once you have the aepx file, you can then open your older After Effects version and go to File, Import, File, and select your newly created aepx file. After Effects will attempt to reconstruct the project based on the XML data. Be prepared for potential discrepancies or missing elements. You might find that some layers are missing, effects are not applied correctly, or expressions have broken. It's often a process of trial and error, requiring manual adjustments to restore the project to its intended state. For simple projects involving basic animations, text, and standard effects, this XML export method can be surprisingly effective. However, for complex projects heavily reliant on expressions, advanced scripting, or numerous third-party plugins, the aepx method often falls short, leading to significant loss of data and functionality, making it more of a starting point for reconstruction rather than a perfect conversion. Another approach, often more robust for complex projects, involves using third-party scripts specifically designed to downgrade After Effects project files. Tools like Open Sesame, or similar concepts developed by the community, can parse the internal structure of a newer AEP file and rewrite it to be compatible with an older version. These scripts are not built in and often come with a cost or are community-driven, requiring a bit of research to find a reliable solution. They typically offer a higher success rate for preserving expressions and complex project elements compared to the XML method, but still might not guarantee 100% fidelity, especially with very specific plugin data. Always ensure you have a backup of your original project before attempting any conversion method. If you are receiving a file from someone else, the best and most reliable solution is to communicate with the original creator and ask them to save the project down to a compatible version, perhaps using one of these third-party scripts if they have access to them, or even rendering out specific elements for you to reassemble. Remember, features like Save a Copy or Collect Files are useful for project organization and sharing assets, but they do not facilitate version downgrading. Ultimately, while After Effects lacks a straightforward Save as Older Version option, the XML export provides a basic lifeline for simpler projects, and third-party scripts offer more advanced solutions for complex ones. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing for more After Effects tips and tutorials.